Good morning. This is Friday, November 19th. I'm Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. And the topic of my video today is market manipulation. You're looking at a 3-minute chart of the micro E-mini of yesterday, November 18th, a Thursday. And I want to just go over quickly the features that I have on this chart. You'll see a horizontal line here marking the previous day's close, and this is a candle. I've drawn a candle of the previous day, price action, opened up here, closed down here, and I've superimposed that on my chart, and I indicated a horizontal line at the close of yesterday. I also have a rectangle that I've drawn on the chart, and this rectangle is based on calculations from Taylor's book method. Now, I use Taylor's book method to generate support and resistance numbers for the following day. I do this each evening, and I send these numbers to the students in my E-mini trading course so that they can set up their chart in a similar way. So when we start the day, we have a line representing the close of the previous day and a trading zone derived from Taylor's book method calculations, which are basically, they are averages of the previous price action, open, close, and trading range from the previous several days. And these are averages that make up the trading zone. You'll notice that the prices stayed within the trading zone. And the market manipulation, now typically you would look at this chart as a novice or a beginner even, and say, wow, this is a great chart to trade because I could have made a lot of money, because there's big drops and there's big price movements up. So big movements both up and down. But market manipulation occurs prior to the big moves. And I want to point out a section of the chart right here at the open. The market opened up here at 46.98. Went down about 8 points and then back up, and you'll notice this big price rise up here of about 5 points very quickly. Again, this is a 3-minute candle. Big price rise, and this would be or could be an indication that the market was going to rise. But if you exercise patience and you just didn't execute a trade, and you just watch, you'll see that there was an immediate rejection of this increase. So this was manipulation. This was a stop running move, and you can look that up in your trading books and reference stop running. But stop running is a manipulation, and this is what people get trapped by, and they immediately, when they see the price surging up after smaller movements, and these are fairly small movements in here, the price surges up, and you'd say, wow, I don't want to miss it, I'm going to jump on. And you jump on, and what happens? The price immediately is rejected and goes the other way. Trading zones have been pretty accurate. If you enroll in my E-mini trading course, or even my free E-mini trading course, you'll get these trading zones, these numbers each evening so that you can set up your chart. You'll see that these prices generally obey these calculated trading zones. Even up here where the price moved back up to the top of the trading zone, then was rejected, bounced off it, served as a point of resistance, then came back up to it, bounced down below resistance again. So the trading zone is accurate, but the manipulation is such that you can be thrown off. Of course, when you look at a chart in hindsight, you say, wow, it's so obvious, but it's not obvious when it's happening. So anyway, manipulation, watch for manipulation, especially when the price goes up and then is immediately rejected. You'll know that is a manipulation, a stop running move, and you could be wary of it and just hop off. If you do jump on, if you do think that this is going to continue and you see the price is rejected, immediately jump off. This is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. Check out my E-mini trading course. Again, if you enroll in even my free E-mini trading course, did I say it's free? F-R-E-E-E-E, yes, free. You'll receive these numbers so that you can set up your chart with these trading zones each day. and you'll be a more knowledgeable and better trader for it. This is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.